You're watching how Leap. You cannot directly track a specific Google AI overview ranking as it is not a singular feature you optimize for. Instead, you monitor your visibility in AI-powered search features like the Search Generative Experience. Sign up for Google Search Console. This free tool shows your site's performance in Google Search, including impressions for queries that may trigger AI overviews, focus on tracking top stories people also ask, and featured snippet rankings, as content that ranks here is often sourced for AI responses. Use SEO tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to track your rankings for keywords where Google shows see results. Ultimately, to appear in AI overviews, create high-quality, authoritative content that directly answers questions using clear headings and structured data markup. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.